Hello there! Is the conventional wisdom about content creation all wrong? How do a few successful content creators unlock recognition, fulfillment, and wealth while most of them can't live from their work? And more importantly, how can you make the transition from a content creator who struggles with getting noticed and making money to one who achieves that same level of success? Well, today we're going to learn 3 powerful pillars that silent architects behind a multi-billion-dollar content creation empire are using that can transform any newbie content creator into a money-making magnet, especially in the age of AI. But before we get into it, make sure you grant your lifetime access to our free workbook, Writing for the Web, How to Keep Fast Readers Laser Focused. This is your chance to learn 15 timeless content creation techniques to attract cost-effective leads and turn them into customers using only your keyboard, powered by AI. The link is in the description. Let's dive in. In the digital world, many content creators remain in obscurity, hoping for a breakthrough. However, hope is not a strategy. The path to recognition, fulfillment, and financial success lies in mastering a triad of strategies. This triad is the key to transforming your creative passion into a lucrative endeavor, separating the elite from the average in today's competitive landscape. 1. Building communities. Forge genuine connections and cultivate a loyal audience. 2. Ready, fire, aim monetization. Implement a 3-stage tactic to turn creativity into revenue. And 3. Harness AI for creativity. Use AI to optimize content and analyze engagement. Let's explore the content money-making triad to redefine your journey, unlocking recognition, fulfillment, and wealth. The first of the 3 content money-making triad you must use to become a content creator that rises above the crowd is to build communities around shared values and interests. To become a content creator, you have to go beyond just crafting content. It's critical to form a genuine rapport with your audience, understanding their psyche, and build a community. That requires 2 fundamental aspects that bridge the gap between you and your audience. 1. The psychology of social validation, and 2. The art of building digital communities. The psychology of social validation stems from our innate desire for social acceptance. It's a phenomenon where individuals are influenced by the actions or opinions of others. In the digital world, this is reflected through likes, shares, comments, and follows. Search engines, social networks, and stream networks use this concept in their algorithms to push content to mass audiences. Imagine you post a video on YouTube. As the likes and comments start trickling in, it's more likely that YouTube pushes more individuals to view and interact with your content spurred by the initial engagements. And the more views it has, the more attractive it becomes because of all the views, likes, comments, and shares. That's how a piece of content goes viral. But viral content is not the only thing you need to become a content creator that stands out from the crowd. What you need instead is to transition from a content creator per se to a community builder. That's what will place you at the top of your audience's mind. Take, for instance, the thriving community centered around lifestyle, wellness, or even book reviews. Also, the whole idea of hashtags come from community building around shared values and interests. You can imagine how powerful this idea is. In his book, Tribes, Seth Godin talks about the essence of community building. He says, a tribe is a group of people connected to one another, connected to a leader, and connected to an idea. For millions of years, human beings have been part of one tribe or another. A group needs only 2 things to be a tribe: a shared interest and a way to communicate. So to become a successful content creator that differentiate yourself from the lazy rest of the market, you need to craft content that weaves the threads of social validation and the power of connecting people around shared values and interests. The second of the 3 content money-making triad you must use to become a content creator that rises above the crowd is to monetize your content using the ready, fire, aim tactic. One of the most reliable approaches to the idea of structuring a sustainable monetization model is the ready, fire, aim tactic conceived by Michael Masterson in the book Ready, Fire, Aim. This tactic delineates a pathway to 3 core stages. Guess what? Ready, fire, and aim, each having its distinct focus and action points. In the ready stage, the emphasis is on preparation. This is where you understand and articulate the unique value your content delivers to your audience. Ask yourself, what problems does your content solve? What desires does it fulfill? Establishing this value proposition is critical as it sets the stage for what's to follow. Transition to the fire stage, it's all about action. This is the stage where you put your content out there, both free and paid. Free content serves as a handshake with your audience, inviting them to experience the value you provide. According to Michael Masterson, the front end is your free or low price content that attracts and engages your audience. Offering such content regularly builds trust, showcases your expertise, and cultivates a growing audience. Lastly, the aim stage is about refinement based on feedback and data. The back end, according to Michael Masterson, is your premium paid content that goes a step further, like in-depth guide or personalized advice. This paid content should offer additional exclusive value that justifies the cost. Here's a simplified approach to transitioning from the fire to the aim stage. 1. Identify your audience's pain points or desires based on your free content engagement. 2. Create offers that address those needs, like exclusive courses, ebooks, or bespoke video content. And 3. Promote your paid offer as a natural next step from the free option as a manner that underscores their benefits and values. The ready, fire, aim tactic is a continuous cycle of preparation, action, and refinement. Its power lies in replacing what content creators think is best for their audience with actual feedback. The last of the 3 content money-making triad you must use to become a content creator that rises above the crowd is to harness AI for augmented creativity. How can you embrace artificial intelligence to elevate your content creation journey? The answer is through augmented creativity. What does that mean? In your journey to become a content creator, AI forges synergy that amplifies your creative intuition. AI can sift through audience data, provide insights into trending topics, and even suggest content themes based on real-time analysis. I'm talking about the big picture here. If you're thinking at the AI prompt level or AI tools level, you're missing the opportunity to be at the forefront of the AI revolution. Engage with AI at the strategic level to assist in content optimization, audience engagement analysis, and real-time feedback loops. In essence, to become a content creator in the AI-enhanced digital landscape, you have to engage with AI in the creative process and explore new solutions based on data-driven insights and audience behavior. In the Writing for the Web workbook, you will learn 15 practical content creation techniques to craft content that attracts, engages, and converts cost-effective leads into lifelong customers using only your keyboard powered by AI. By granting your free lifetime access to this workbook today, you will not only master the art of content creation with AI now, but also have access to all future updates at no cost. The link is in the description. And there you have it, the content creation money-making triad exposed, building thriving communities, the ready, fire, aim tactics, and AI augmented creativity. These are your stepping stones towards recognition, fulfillment, and wealth as a content creator. Make sure you grant your lifetime access to our free Writing for the Web workbook to take decisive steps toward a new content creation paradigm, and subscribe to don't lose any new upcoming content about personal growth, business, and marketing. Until then, become your brand.